The Seoul Garden restaurant in Singapore will be reopening tomorrow after playing host to the city's most recent COVID-19 community case. It says there was no breach of safe management measures, even though the man had been there with a dozen family members. Cheryl Goh reports that customers trying to flout the 5-person rule is a common problem for restaurants.
It's not business as usual on what would normally be a busy Friday at this Seoul Garden outlet in Tampines Mall. The restaurant has temporarily shut operations for deep cleaning and disinfection. The restaurant was visited by Singapore's first local COVID-19 community case in 16 days about a week ago. The 32-year-old man had eaten here with 12 family members, and the Health Ministry says there was a mingling across 3 tables. All of them, including close contacts of the case, are now in isolation and quarantine. Seoul Garden maintains that it has not breached any safe distancing rules. It says that the family of 12 had made 3 separate reservations and had also arrived at different times. Its reservation system also automatically rejects bookings of more than 5.
So far, there's no requirement for the quarantine and stay-home notice. But what we are doing, extra step, is that we are sending our staff for the swab test. This is to provide additional protection for our staff.
Mr. Lim adds that staff did not notice significant mingling among the tables, apart from what he says were kids running around. CNA's request to view the CCTV footage given to the Health Ministry as evidence was declined. Managing challenging situations like this is not unusual for another popular chain, which says it often has to turn away opportunistic guests. Staff are trained to spot telltale signs if they suspect that different groups might be related and try to game the 5-person rule. These include customers who make eye contact and discuss menus when queuing up.
I have about 22 outlets here, about 10 cases for weekends. Weekdays a bit less, but maybe 5 or 6 cases. Sometimes it's very difficult for us. Even our staff get aggressive guests. But I think we really stay firm on the law side on 5% per household.
Both restaurants say the latest case is a sobering reminder that the virus is still very much with us. They hope that diners will continue to be vigilant and understanding moving forward.